The Lexus ES luxury midsize sedan does the usual Lexus thing. That means superb build quality, tranquil traveling, great resale values, lots of standard equipment, and so on. But the current ES, whose newest generation launched for the 2019 model year, wears a bold look and packs on some muscle. Even though the ES is in a segment dominated by legitimate sports sedans, it delivers what a certain group of luxury car buyers are looking for in terms of comfort, ride quality, reliability, and effortless cruising capability. 3 powertrains are offered: a V6 engine with 302 horsepower, a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with all-wheel drive, or a hybrid setup that delivers fantastic fuel economy. ES 250 use a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, 203 horsepower, and 184 pound-feet of torque. Paired to 8-speed automatic transmission, with all-wheel drive. With its stylish, asymmetrical dashboard and high-quality materials, the ES's cabin creates a plush environment for passengers. Both rows offer enough legroom for the long-legged, and the seats provide comfortable support. Luxury car buyers look for vehicles offering the latest and greatest tech features, and the new Lexus ES doesn't disappoint. It comes standard with an 8.0-inch infotainment system, with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth phone, Sirius XM satellite radio, 10-speaker sound system, music streaming apps, and Scout GPS link navigation. When Hyundai launched the Genesis sedan in 2009, the idea of a Korean luxury automaker was the furthest thing from the public's collective mind. A decade later, Genesis has garnered moderate success as its own brand, and the sedan that started it all has been fully redesigned to take another shot at the establishment. The new Genesis G80 builds on the groundwork laid by its predecessors, offering more technology, driving aids, and luxury features than ever before. From its unique double headlights and gigantic pentagonal grille to its slippery bodywork and sloping roofline, the all-new Genesis G80 is a rolling beauty. Powered by a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, producing 300 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. Paired to 8-speed automatic transmission with rear-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. With its primary focus as a luxury car, the G80 offers a properly upscale interior. Its cabin showcases an elegant design with a streamlined dashboard, soft touch surfaces, and rich-looking materials. The rotary shift knob is never as intuitive, especially when positioned near other circular-shaped controls, but overall the inside of the G80 looks wonderful. The sedan offers desirable features, such as a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, ambient interior lighting, heated and ventilated front and rear seats, and a head-up display. The new G80 has more headroom and legroom than the outgoing model. A huge 14.5-inch touchscreen sprouts from the top of the dashboard and acts as the hub for the G80's infotainment system. The display can be manipulated via a circular controller on the center console, as well as buttons on the steering wheel and voice commands. Every G80 also comes standard with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a powerful Lexicon audio system, with distinct sound modes.